Hey y'all, it's Kiss. Welcome back. So today I have several things to share. I got some new littles, and y'all know sometimes I like the sort of quirky things, and so I wasn't sure about the Howler pouch to begin with, but I've been seeing people with these, and they're supposed to hold a surprising amount of stuff, so I wanted to try it out. And this is Shadow Lime. I really like the texture. Look at that. I want a bag in Shadow Lime now, but I can't find anything that I'm interested in right now. So in a minute I'm gonna see what's gonna fit in here. I'm gonna get pistachio, and we'll see how the colors compare. Okay, big difference. They're both pebbled, but this is pistachio. This is Shadow Lime. So pistachio is, it does remind me of pistachio pudding because it's about that color, and it's like more of a, dusty green, or like a seafoam green sort of. And this is brighter. This is more of a yellow green. So anyway, that answers that question. And then besides that, I ordered a wallet off Treat. It was only like $16 or something like that. And I've been wanting to try something in this color. This is a smooth leather mini envelope. And it said on the description, likely sunflower, but it's not. I think it's mango, but I've been wanting to try mango too. It has a lot of variation in the color, I think. And, oh, the inside is lighter. That's, it's usually opposite of that, I feel like. But, I had another thought about this, and I don't know what it was, but it looks like a retro color to me, so I might have to do like a retro theme once for my stuff that I carry. And then besides that, I've been wanting the Peekaboo, Dragonfly. I don't really know why, because I don't have a lot of pink. This would go fine with ultraviolet and plum and orchid, but I feel like for some reason my Boreal bucket bag needs this. I don't know why. I'm gonna get it and see how it looks. Okay, for some reason I really like the pink and teal together. I used to like pink and green a lot anyway, and so this is kind of like that, I guess. But I like that there's such a big contrast. It's like this pink is the lightest color I have, and the Boreal is the darkest I have, except for black. So I really like these together. Okay, I want to find out what fits in this Howler pouch. So it opens up like this, for those of you that haven't seen this one before. So I'm just going to see what I have that'll go in here. Of course, things are going to have to be kind of layered on top of each other. I have my pill box. Sorry. Let's see. We will try. I'm trying to think of absolute necessities. So probably not that. Okay. So I'm going to put my beat up stain remover wipe in here. I'll put some nail clippers underneath. It will not fit something like a lip balm unless maybe it's a chapstick. Let me go get a chapstick and see if that'll fit. Okay, whoops. I had one right over there in my little tray that I keep to refill stuff with. Okay, that fits. And then other than that, I've got a tampon. I've got flossers, a cough drop, some eye wash, lubricant stuff. I've got some Imodium. I would probably put a headache pill in here. I have Pepto and another type of flosser. Couple of alcohol wipes. So let's see what happens. Oh. It snaps with no problem. I could probably actually put more in here. So I'm pleasantly surprised. So this would definitely hold, you know, emergency kit necessities. I could put another lip balm in here. I could put a couple of wet ones in here. I could put a couple Kleenex. Probably not all the above together, but cool. I like that a lot. Okay, now, probably what you're all here for. Let me move these things out of the way because I need to unbox my new bag. Okay. Alright, I don't know if I can do this very well. It might be upside down too. I'm just not sure. Okay, carefully. So this is, I had one of these in a smaller size, and I sold it because I knew I wanted a larger one. Well, when I went to find the larger one, they were sold out of it, so I was really sad. So when it came back in stock, I went ahead and grabbed it, and then I sold my other one later. Okay, there's supposed to be something else in here, and it's missing. Ooh, this is much larger than the large. This is oversized Sloan. I love the pebbling on here too. I'm really happy with this. This is nutmeg? I think. I like all the character and the differences in the pebbling. I like that a lot. I'm so happy that these aren't stamped. Big ones over here. Ooh, I love that. I can't wait to carry it. This is going to be plenty of room too. And look at that. The handles are a little bit different color, but I don't mind that at all. So the other one that I had kind of a dent in it, and I don't know why. That always bothered me. But oh, I love it. It's so squishy. It's going to be even squishier after I play with it for a while. And see, I think to keep the handles out of the way, you can turn them out like this. There we go. Oh, the other one's wanting to fall down in the way. Double zipper, which I love, and I love that it zips down the sides so you can get into it better. There's the strap. Oh, it's so soft on the inside. That's plenty of room. I love it. Because I did have a Speedy 25 that was a replica. I wasn't happy with the zipper because it only zipped up open about this far, and it was a really rough zipper, hurt my hand. And so when I saw this same style but zipper down the sides, I knew that I would be much happier with this instead. Same style, just more usable for me, and a way lesser price too. Okay, I'm really happy with this. It's just, look at that. I love it. Let me look through my stuff and see if the wallet's in here that I got to go along with it. Okay, I feel better now. I was really nervous because I've had such trouble with shipments of things lately. If I can get into it. Come on. Okay. Ooh, this is really squishy. Look at that. This is a Daisy Plus. Oh, she's so cute. I love it. So, I think this will fit credit cards and things, kind of like a mini envelope wallet will. And look at that, it has the 2 pockets too. I'm so glad I got this. So y'all know what's going to be in and what's in my bag very soon. Obviously, I've been kind of sick, so I hadn't really felt like it, but this is going to be coming very soon. So anyway, hope y'all like it. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.